All right, next let's talk about dashboard analytics. Now, when you first make TikTok, you won't have access to this. So you need to click the three buttons, the three dots in the top right corner, and scroll down and click upgrade to pro account. Once you do that, then you'll have access to all your stats and stuff. Once you have access, what you'll see is the video views, followers, and then profile views. And they'll show you, 7 days and 28 days. At the moment, I have about 1.1 million video views for the month, and that's a bad month. That's like, I've only posted about 20 times this month, so you could easily get 70 to maybe even 100 million video views a month. At my highest point, I was getting 40 million or 10 million a week, so it's very possible. And you also see your follower counts, your growth. It shows like a line graph, and then you'll see your profile views. Now, next you'll see they have other options now. These are fairly new. Not everyone has access to them, but these are the main ones that you'll see. They also show you your followers' most active times and days. They also show you what sounds your followers are interacting with and what videos your followers are interacting with. And these are really good to help you understand your audience and who to network with and who to collaborate with and things like that.